all you merry people. So today is Monday, the 8th. I'm on a roll. It's gonna quit soon. So we just got home, dropping the big boys off from school. Made a quick trip to Walmart. I was actually gonna go to Target, but they weren't open until 8, and I was not waiting like 20 minutes to get into Target. I finally went to Walmart, and I hated going to Walmart because it's been so much damn money. But there was a couple things that I wanted to, well, one thing I needed and something I wanted to get. So cotton rounds was a need, and then I wanted to try the new Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. Jesus, what a freaking mouthful. And this is the new one. This is the with vitamin C all-in-one brightening. So I got this, and it came with like a little free sunscreen something, right? No, a serum creams. Oh, it's a 24-hour moisturizer plus a serum plus a sunscreen, which, okay. But I really wanted to try this. I have the blue one, but yeah. And thank God tomorrow my nails are gonna be fixed. Let's make a coffee. I need a coffee. Let's make one. Oh, that's good. I'll talk to y'all when I get upstairs. Okay guys, I thought I would come on here really quick. We are back inside from outside. As you saw in the last clip, I was throwing the ball with the dog because I haven't done that a lot with him because, one, the weather's been so damn cold, and I have usually make my big boys do it because my big boys don't do nothing. So I try to give them little things to do, but of course they hate it. But anyway, so we're back inside, and I thought I would actually try this on camera. I'm really curious to see like how it smells, what it feels like. So I'm just gonna take my little cotton thing, and I'm just gonna wipe my face, and let's just like give this a go. Ew.
Hi, Mom. I did.
Doesn't really smell like anything.
Boy.
One of my biggest things is making like stuff burning my face, but this doesn't burn. I don't really smell anything. Is my face dirty? Good Lord, it does look like my face is dirty though. Like I washed it this morning when I showered, but it looked like they took some stuff off my face. Huh. Maybe? Maybe not. Maybe I'm just seeing stuff. It looked like it was kind of like dirty-ish. I mean, it feels good. It just feels like, it doesn't feel like the oil makeup remover. This doesn't. That's what I was trying to say, is like it doesn't look like it's got any oil, but I know I shook it up. But it doesn't look like, yeah, there's like no oil. When it dries, it dries. Because the makeup remover one, I know the blue one. Hold on, let me get what I have. But see, you can see the water to oil. And in here, see, there's no oil or like there's no separation. So that's pretty nice because this does leave that oily feeling on your face. So after I use this to wipe off makeup, I do go back in and wash my face because I can't hardly stand the that oily feel. I don't like that. So I do go back in and wash my face. But this one, okay, I'm done. I'm talking for like an extra 2 freaking minutes and I'm going to edit out anyway. Okay, bye. Okay guys, so this is my lunch. Fish sticks and a Caesar salad. Okay guys, I am back and it is, hello, 1:21. 1:21, it's still Monday. My package just came. So I'm gonna just show you it's literally one thing. I ordered a bunch of other things, but hold on, y'all are slipping. See it better? Sure. I ordered like a bunch of things, but for some reason this one little thing shipped by itself, so I guess maybe it was just in stock. Because I know I've worked in retail before, with a high chain retailer, where if they don't have something like at that immediate store, they will actually search other stores and get it from them and then ship it. So I'm guessing this is just what happened, but anyway, yeah, it's the 30-day challenge for yoga. 1 daily activity for 30 days to explore the art of yoga. Practicing yoga is about focusing on the present, connecting our soul, body, and mind. It gives us strength, flexibility, health, peace, and ultimately happiness. This 30-day challenge includes a series of 30 poses and guidelines with a gradually increasing level of difficulty that helps to delve into the magical yoga universe. Yeah, so there's this little pull slip here, and like each day you just pull down on this and start the challenge. So I'm gonna start this. What is today? The 8th. I think I'm gonna start the 30-day challenge tomorrow. We'll start it on the 9th. I'm actually kind of excited. I've got more workout stuff coming. Like, obviously it's workout stuff. What else? What else in the hell would I buy? I think my neighbor's outside. So I'm going to go, and I will come back on here later because I've got my window up. It's a beautiful day, so I don't want to talk very loud and then be like, is she talking to herself? Because yes, I am. Okay, bye. Okay guys, it is 2:57. Big boys just got home from school, and I've decided for kind of like a really super early dinner, I'm gonna make that famous TikTok feta cheese tomato pasta. Now, with that being said, I am not a big tomato person. I literally have this many tomatoes. Good enough, because I'm only going to use like 1/4 of this cheese anyway, because I'm a very picky eater. I want to try it though, because it sounds good. It looked really good when I've seen some people make it. So that's what we're going to do. And I have my minced garlic. I have Parmesan cheese, grated, Italian seasoning, thyme, Parmesan shredded cheese, which this is going to go on like afterwards, and then some crushed red pepper. So this is what I'm going to put into my pasta. Pasta's going right now. As you can see, I'm using penne because I don't have the rigatoni, which I don't think it really matters. Doesn't matter. Like, did anyone specifically say you have to have rigatoni? I don't know. I'm actually going off of a recipe that someone else did off the TikTok. So that's what we're doing. Which they only had thyme and crushed red pepper. I'm adding the Italian seasoning because I like it. So yeah, let's get started. Let's test our pasta. El dente. Perfect.
He reminds me of fall, like the beautiful little leaves. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
My son said the crushed red pepper reminds him of fall because, or like of all the fall leaves, which I guess, yeah, it does. It is fall leaves. That's what's in there, and that's what crushed red pepper is.
Wait, really?
No,
Okay.
no. Guys, let me get off here.
I make my
It's
own.
what we do.
I come with my own sound effects, only for $4.99.
Look, this kid is in the 4th grade.
I am Carter people. I am your God avowed to me.
Yeah. Well, I hope you like my ceiling. Because hell, you got a good view. Okay.
I am the people's God vowed to me.
Stand straight up. Put your head down. Like the kid's in the 4th grade. He's 11. I'm 5'6". About 5'7" with the bun.
The bun counts. We count.
Of course you count the hair.
You gotta count.
I gotta get as tall as I can get. So shoot, if I can put this hair up another 5 inches, I will.
Like just have
Stick it
just have like a skyscraper. Just, like having it like. I think we need to end this.
Bye.
Bye. My arms hurt.
It smells so good in here. I've had it in for about 20, we can say about 25 minutes because I didn't start the timer like till 4 after. So about 25, 26 minutes. It smells really good. The feta cheese is actually browning on top, which looks really good. Tomatoes, because I cut them, I think cooked a little bit faster, which is fine with me. And I didn't use a lot anyway. Really?
You're watching the Learning Channel.
You're watching the fucking Looney Tunes. Does that not look amazing? Like, oh my gosh, it looks so good. Okay, you guys. People, I'm getting some crazy light. Hold on. So there is what mine looks like. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to look, but it's all mixed together. I'm actually going to sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. And I'm actually going to taste it before I do that. Hold on. If my dishwasher would wash my dishes! What's the point? Okay. The The feta cheese is good. I don't think I let the feta cheese actually melt good enough though, because honestly it's kind of cold. So I'm going to sprinkle some of this on there and put it back in the oven and let this bake until it's melted, and then we're going to try it. Tell me that does not look good. Tell me that does not look good. That looks amazing. Y'all, I cannot wait to taste this. Let's taste it. Watch this Parmesan like fuck it all up. Well, we tried. I'm gonna be like the only one eating this anyway, so I'm just gonna eat right out of the damn pan and then save leftovers. Oh my gosh, you guys. I really wanted to hate this because it's TikTok, but it's really good. With a couple of my own to it. It does say to add basil on top to serve, but I don't have basil and it's just me, so I'm okay. I don't need basil. I got cheese. Oh! I smacked the dog. I'm so sorry, Bruce. You just happened to be in my way of my arm swinging. He's just looking at me like, food? Y'all. That is some good stuff. Yes, I have a 7-Up. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna scoop me a plate and my happy ass is gonna go eat. May I help you? I don't have nothing for you. I have nothing for you. Yeah, I'm sorry. I was spraying Lysol on the boy's stuff and I kind of got it on him and now he's been sneezing like crazy. I'm so sorry, Bruce. I'm so sorry. I know, I'm sad. I'm sorry. He's really wanting the food. Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye.